Hello everyone, welcome back on my channel. So today in this video we will see how to make lesson plan. Topic would be our houses. Okay, this is AVS lesson plan. Here you can see, so for previous knowledge they have means students have already aware of their family, their members, houses and locations. Okay, general aim here you can see to enable them to read, write and pronounce words, to enable them to understand types of houses, to enable them to understand various room of houses like drawing room and kitchen, bathroom. Okay, specific objectives you can see to let them know about types of houses, example kacha house, pakka house, and tell them rooms in a house like kitchen, bathroom, etc. Teaching aids you can see here. Okay, so this is how we have to make our lesson plan. Now let's turn our page and let's see introduction questions. Now here you can see we have to show them a picture of a house and we have to ask to students what is this, then they will answer it is a house. Then we will tell them to draw a picture of their own house in notebook, then they will try to draw it. Describe about your home and how many rooms are there, then they will try to describe it in their own words. Okay, why do we need a house and how many types of houses are there, it is problematic. Now here you can see objectives and specifications: to arouse previous knowledge, to check previous knowledge, to check attention, to link past experience with present knowledge, and after that we have to announce our topic. Today I am going to teach you topic our houses. Here topic our houses, and this is the overall look. Okay, let me show you overall look. Now we have to tell them about houses, importance of houses, why we build house, what is the importance of that. We need house to protect ourselves. Then after that we have to teach types of houses: kacha house, pakka house. Here you can see we can draw like this, or else we can also take chart with us for kacha house. Okay, and we have to tell them about kacha house. Now here you can see we have to ask question. After that, after explaining them properly, we have to ask questions. So here I have added 4 questions. Okay, and here is expected answer that we expect from students. Here is our blackboard work. Here is our blackboard work. Okay, so after explaining properly, we also have to take help of chart. So we have to teach them with chart also. Students observing chart, and for teaching it we have to like chart. Okay, here pakka house. So this is presentation 2. So pakka house, we have to describe about pakka house. Here diagram of pakka house, we can draw it or we can also show chart of pakka house. Okay, here is question related, means we have to ask a question after explaining properly. So this is the question and these are the answer that we expect. Okay, and here blackboard work. Pakka house is mostly found in cities and town. It is made up of bricks, cement, wood, etc. So we have to write like this also on the blackboard. This is overall look. Okay, now let's turn the page, and here you can see rooms in house. So we can draw it like this, or we can also take a chart of that, like boys taking a bath. So we take bath in bathroom. This is the mother cooking in the kitchen, so kitchen is for cooking. Like this we have to tell. And rest of the question here you can see 3rd question, 4th question. Okay, and here is the answer that we expect from students. Here you can see it's a blackboard work. We have to tell them rooms, like we sleep in we sleep in bedroom, we bath in bathroom, we cook in kitchen, eat in dining room, study in study room. Like this we have to tell to students. And after that teacher also have to show chart. Okay, and student observing chart, and here for teaching it we have to write chart. Like this we have to make. Here recapitulation, I have added here 4 questions. Why do we need a house? What is kacha house? What is pakka house made up of? Where do we do following activities? Sleep, cook, bath. Here is the answers that we expect from students. Let me show you overall look, okay? So this is the overall look. Now let's just turn the page. This is the last page, okay? Okay, so here you can see application and evaluation. So for that we can give fill in the blanks to student. Here I have added 5 fill in the blanks. That is more than enough, okay? We do not have to add more than that. 5 is enough. Okay, last one is home assignment. So for perfection of their knowledge, we have to give home assignment also to students, okay? So this was my lesson plan on the topic of our houses. I hope you like this video. If you like this, then please do not forget to like, share and subscribe. We will meet in next video with another b.ed related topic. Till then, bye bye and take care.